that we're going to play is called the laser beam game. So I have a laser beam right over here. Now, is this a real laser beam or is this a pretend laser beam? It's a pretend laser beam, but we're going to use our imagination. So this laser beam sounds like whoa, 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 whoa. And this laser beam is going to chop off your head if you let it. So I need a helper who's raising their hand. All right, so I'm going to need a lot of helpers today. And when I say I need a helper, if you can raise your hand with the palm of your mouth, just like this gentleman. So what's your name, sir? Connor? Okay, cool. Thank you for saying that makes it loud. So I'm going to bring the laser around. I'm going to try to chop off his head. What do you think you should do? What do you think? Do you think you should let me chop off your head, or do you think you should duck it? Okay, ready? Let's try. Ready? Nice. One more time. All right, everybody try that. Nice ducking. I see some of your teachers are ducking, some of your teachers are not using their imagination. Let's try it again. Ready? Nicely done. Now, I'm going to put this laser away and we'll get another laser out. And this one's going to chop off your feet. So what do you think you should do? Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say I appreciate you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and click on the bell if you want to see more videos coming your way to be alerted. Just thank you so much, and feel free to share this content with anybody who you think would find some value from this. Have an awesome, joyous, wonderful, breath-filled rest of your day.